Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit or delete your expense transactions on the PocketGuard application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PocketGuard app on your device, and this will take you into your homepage, which is the Expenses tab. Now within this page, you will find all of your income as well as expense transactions. The income transaction will display your amount in a green color, while the expenses will show your transaction in red. This will make it easier for you to spot your income as well as your expense transactions. Just click on the expense transaction that you wish to edit or delete, and this will take you into the edit page. Now you can change the income or expense type from the top section, and you may also change the date when this transaction occurred, as well as the amount that was involved. You can also switch the category if you wish by choosing one from the drop-down menu. And if you wish to edit your title or description, you may do this as well. After making your changes, you can click on the tick mark button to save them. And if you wish to delete this transaction, just click on the trash can icon at the bottom right corner. And when you are asked whether you are sure, just click on the yes button. This will now delete this transaction and remove it from your expenses page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit or delete your expense transactions from the PocketGuard application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.